guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will code a Python program to check if string containing floating point number is valid or not. So how can we do it? So if we have any string with numbers and a floating point, and now how can we check that this string is valid floating point number? So if we use our string and applies is digit method on it and test it, you can see it's giving us false. So what changes should we make in that string that this will give us true if it is valid floating point string? So if we replace floating point with empty string and now test it, you can see it's giving us true. The idea is that to just replace that floating point, just neglecting that point and printing the result. So it's giving us true, but it is still not the best solution because it only works with floating points, only with single floating point numbers. But if string contains multiple floating points, it's give us true again, but it shouldn't give us true, as we can see this string containing floating point numbers is not a valid floating point number. So mathematically it is not valid. So if we just give the limit to just replace the first floating point and leave others as it is, so now test it, you can see it's giving us false, as this string is not valid floating point number. Now change back to single floating point number, containing a string containing single floating point. Now check, it is giving us true that this string is valid floating point number. So that's it for today. Hope you like the video. Thank you.